Hi everyone. Today we are going to explore a tool that is fundamentally changing how we work online. In business, research, and data analytics, we spend hours doing repetitive tasks, clicking, copying, reading, and organizing. Today I am going to introduce you to the Comet browser by Perplexity. This isn't just a regular web browser like Chrome. It is a browser with an built in AI assistant that actually does the manual work for you. I'll walk you through the interface and then we'll jump into some live practical demos. Let's dive in. First, we need to understand the big shift happening in the technology. Normally, when you browse the web, you do all the heavy lifting. You search, you open 20 tabs, and you copy paste the data. Comet introduces agentic AI. This means the browser acts as your active thought partner. You give it a command and it navigates the web, read the pages, clicks the button and complete task on your behalf. You upgrade from being a web surfer to a manager directing a digital assistant. Now let me take you to the dashboard of the Comet web browser. This is a Comet web browser. Here we get a box to type what we want to search. From the plus, we can upload a file and also we can use connectors and spaces. We'll be talking about connectors and spaces later on. Here we also got the option for models. Here from here we can select the model whichever we want, like the GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and there are so many models, and we also have incognito mode here. Now talking about the computers. At the center in the computer interface, you simply type what you want to do in the search box and the AI handle it end to end. To start quickly, you can even use built-in templates at the bottoms like the plan a trip, create a slide deck and so on. Now talking about the spaces. Think of these as a dedicated project folders. If you are researching a market project in one space, then the AI keeps it completely separate from your personal travel plans in other space. It keep your brain organized. Now, right below it, it is the option of artifacts. Whenever the AI generates a long document, a piece of code, or a detailed report for you, it saves it right here. This way, if you close your tab, you never lose your hard work. Now, talking about the connectors. This is where you link Comet to the apps you actually use, like Gmail, Google Calendars, or Notion. It had an option of connected. It shows what till you have connected to the Comet. Like I have connected Gmail, so it is showing Gmail. Next is skills. As you can see on my screen, skills extend what the computer can do with usable capabilities. You can load pre-built skills or a specific task like content creation for writing blogs, data exploration for analyzing datasets, or even researching a sales account. Next to it is a workflow. Workflow let you automate multi-step routine instead of doing the same 5 clicks every morning. A workflow does it all at once. Finally, we have memory. This acts as the brain of your browser. It securely remembers your preference and past sessions. So the more you use it, the smarter and more personalized it gets. Now that we know the layout, let's do a live task. Usually, if you are binding a dataset, you send us copying a product name, pasting it into a spreadsheet, copying the price, and repeating. Watch this. I will open a Flipkart gaming laptop page. This is showing all the gaming laptops present available on the Flipkart. Now we will open the second tab and write here spreadsheet. A new spreadsheet will open, and from here the assistant option we can here simply write, read the Flipkart tab, extract the top 10 gaming laptops, their names and their exact prices, and organize them into a clean table. I have given a prompt and it gives me the laptop's name and the price. I can simply copy it from here and then paste it. in the spreadsheet. This makes the work very easy while we are buying something or we want to compare anything like the laptops or the mobile phones. Now let's move to the second demo. Next, let's talk about the inbox overload using the Gmail connectors we saw earlier. I don't even need to open my email tab. I just use the sidebar and give it a multiple step like assistant will open assistant again and here we'll write show me top 3 unread emails, summarize what they are about in bullet points and draft a short polite reply to the first one saying I will review it later today. After this we'll simply press enter. As I have already corrected my email to the comment, I had drafted the email. Now I only have to press send for this. We don't have to go every email for the reply from here. We can simply draft it in few seconds, and after it we only have to press send option. Now let's move to the third demo, the research and the shopping assistant. For our last demos, let's look at how Comet handles deep research. Normally, finding the best product means opening Google, clicking through 5 different websites, and hunting for a coupon code. Let's make the AI do all the heavy lifting. I am going to type search the web for the top 3 running shoes under 5,000, compare their price and key features in a table, and find any active promo code I can use to buy them. Now, looking at the screen, the AI is doing parallel search across the internet in real time. It reads the review, builds a comparison chart for me, and even shows the web for discount code. It completely automates the research phase. All our research is done here. Now, talking about the privacy. Now, before you start automating everything, we need to talk about the safety. To all these cool tasks, the AI need access to your email calendars and connected apps. You have to be smart about your privacy boundaries. Also remember that AI makes mistake. You must never use experimental AI browsers for highly sensitive things like your personal bank account, taxes and confidential companies. Always double check it work before you click and send it. To wrap up, Comet is incredibly powerful. It upgrades you from a manual web surfer into a professional directing AI assistant. By setting up your spaces using specific skills and connecting your favorite apps, you can save a massive amount of time on research and admin work. Thank you.